Hold on to your hats, everyone, because what we just witnessed is nothing short of legendary. October 2nd, 2025 will be forever etched in the history books of finance. Bitcoin didn't just knock on the door of a new all-time high. It kicked the door clean off its hinges, rocketing to an incredible intraday peak of 121,449. Just let that number sink in. $121,000. This seismic surge has catapulted Bitcoin's total market capitalization to over $2.3 trillion. To put that in perspective, that's bigger than the entire economy of countries like Canada or Italy. We are living through a monumental shift in global finance, and you have a front-row seat. But the party doesn't stop with Bitcoin. The entire market is riding this massive green wave. Ethereum, the king of smart contracts, is absolutely soaring. So what's fueling this incredible rally? Let's break down the catalysts. A huge piece of the puzzle is the spot Bitcoin ETFs. We've just seen inflows of over $5 billion. That's the highest level of investment in 3 months. This signals that the big money, the institutional players, are not just dipping their toes in, they are diving in head first. They see the long-term value, and they're voting with their capital. This institutional confidence is being supercharged by macroeconomic factors. All eyes are on the U.S. Federal Reserve, with widespread anticipation that they will finally begin cutting interest rates. Lower rates typically make assets like Bitcoin more attractive compared to traditional savings, and the market is pricing in that shift right now. Now, let's zoom out and look at the journey to get here. Just last month, Bitcoin was trading in the low $90,000, consolidating and building a strong base. Many were wondering if the momentum was fading, but seasoned analysts knew better. We saw a steady climb, a 30% increase over the past 30 days, grinding upwards, testing key levels, and preparing for this explosive breakout. This wasn't a random pump. It was a calculated, powerful ascent built on solid foundations. We also can't ignore the fundamental mechanics of Bitcoin itself. We are now feeling the full impact of the most recent halving event. The built-in supply shock, where the reward for mining new blocks is cut in half, is doing exactly what it was designed to do: reduce the new supply of Bitcoin entering the market. With demand skyrocketing and supply tightening, the price has only one direction to go. And let's not forget the Uptober phenomenon. Historically, October has been a fantastically bullish month for Bitcoin, and this year is proving to be the most dramatic example yet. The confluence of post-halving supply reduction, massive institutional demand, and favorable macro conditions has created the perfect storm for this historic rally. What we are seeing is the maturation of an asset class. It's the culmination of years of development, adoption, and belief. From a niche internet novelty to a globally recognized store of value, Bitcoin's journey has been incredible. This new all-time high isn't the finish line. It's a milestone on a much longer journey. The fundamentals are stronger than ever, adoption is accelerating, and the global narrative has shifted. The big question now is, where do we go from here? Is $150,000 the next stop? $200,000? While no one can predict the future with certainty, the momentum is undeniably powerful. The market sentiment is electric, and the technical and fundamental indicators are all pointing upwards. Thank you so much for joining me for this incredible market update. It's a truly exciting time to be in this space. If you got value from this breakdown and want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single update. Let me know your price predictions in the comments below. Until next time, stay informed and trade wisely.